We got a good taste of the wintry weather already today. Hard to believe this kind of winter in California. You were sending us tons of what you saw from hail and snow around the Bay Area. ABC 7 News reporter J.R. Stone has a look at it all.
That is hail pounding Rochelle Maselli's car after her trip to Grocery Outlet Bargain Market in Hayward.
We all looked outside because there was so much noise. You could hear the hail. Literally, it was like super loud, like and people were running around in the parking lot.
Parts of the Bay Area hit hard with hail Wednesday. This video taken by a viewer in Santa Rosa. It almost looked like snow along the landscape.
But it was very unexpected. It just like whoosh, just like came through. But that's why I love the Bay Area.
A Bay Area and just beyond that also saw snow Wednesday in the Santa Cruz Mountains. This is what it looked like along Highway 17.
We have just been having the craziest weather. I've really never seen anything like it.
Kenzie Stanley's husband witnessed this snowfall along Bear Creek Road near Boulder Creek, also in the Santa Cruz Mountains. Wild weather? Well, maybe.
Perhaps maybe every 5 years we'll see snow along the Santa Cruz Mountains. And again, it melts away pretty quickly.
What is out of the ordinary with this weather are the extremes, according to Professor Allison Bridger of San Jose State University.
The models are unequivocal in saying that unusual weather is becoming more usual, more common. And we should not be surprised by anything.
Are you excited knowing that there's snow, or is it a little more concerning in light of the other extremes that we've had too?
I'm excited. Ask me that tomorrow when I have to drive. And the roads are slick.
As to when your best chance at seeing snow on a hillside or mountain is?
I think probably Friday morning would be a good idea to rush outside in your jammies and take a look, see what the hillsides look like.
Yes, get those jammies on. Professor Bridger made the point that much of the West Coast is dealing with this system. As I was gathering video for this story, I came across snow in Vegas and people bundled up in Arizona. The professor believes climate change is to blame for these extremes that we keep seeing during our seasons. J.R. Stone, ABC 7 News.